So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great. So in this video we are going to see how we can take random advice using Python. So this video will be same like my last video where I have created the activity generator that Python program suggests us some activity when we are getting bored. So you can also watch that video. My main aim to make this video to teach you how you can access the data from the API. So now we will see how we can access the data from the API. This API will give the response which will give us random advice. So for getting the API URL, you can go to this website and copy this URL. Let me show you the response for this URL. So this is the response. A long walk alone with some time to think can work wonders. So this is one advice which that API is giving us. So we can also see this response using JSON formatter. So I'm just copying this response. So here, as you can see, we have data in a dictionary form where slip is a key. In that key the values are ID and advice. So these are all are in the dictionary format. So now we will see the program how we can get this response using Python. So now we will see the code for this. So I'm naming the project like advice generator. So lots of guy asking me regarding this IDE. I'm actually using PyCharm. You can use any IDE for your convenience. You can also use that. You can use Spider. You can use Visual Studio. Any IDE you can use. So here our programming is ready. So if you are watching my all the videos, I have created around 22 projects in a Python. Then you are very familiar with this request library. Whenever we are going to deal with API, so first we need to install the request library. So just need to type like pip install request. Now just need to import this. Yeah, let me show you one thing. This is my website, which is yourtechnicalteacher.com. You can also refer this website. Whatever video I have created, whatever project I have created the documentation for that video. So if you have any query regarding any code, so you can just suppose I am going to see this. You can see all the steps I have mentioned here. So you can also refer this website. I will drop the link of this website into description, so you can check out this website and you can make your all the projects here. Yeah. So now we will see our code here. So now we just need to create one URL and we have to pass. Just need to copy this and paste here. Now we just need to create one function which will generate the random advice. And here we will create one variable like data, and here we will use request to get the response from the URL. We will pass the URL here. Now we will convert this data into JSON format. So we will create one variable like JSON data, and what we will do like data.json. Now we have the data, all the data we have. So now we just need to fetch the random advice. So here just need to JSON data, and here we just need to pass the key. So for key we just need to see the structure of the data. According to the structure we will fetch the data. So as you can see, our key is slip. In this key all the values are there. So we will use this key. We will copy this key here and we will print random advice, and we will see here. So just need to call this function and we will run. You can see it is giving us all the data, but we just need to print this advice. So what we are going to do for this? So now let's see the structure first. Now we have this data which is printing all this data. So for fetching this data, we have stored all this data in advice, in random advice variable. So what we can do in random advice, we can pass this key, so we will get the data of this key. So here what we are going to do, we are going to just write here like advice and just print this. You can see, so you can see here it is giving us one advice: lemon and salt works wonder on transit brass. So we will run again and we will see new advice: value the people in your life. So that is very great advice. So I hope you are liking my video. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you have seen my all the 22 videos on Python project, now I guess you are very clear with the API, how we can use the API. So now you are very clear with web scraping concept. So please subscribe to my channel for these type of daily videos. Thank you.